Welcome to the Art Lady's home. Today I'm going to show you a quick bit of my front yard, and this is all before restoration. And my big question is today is whether I'm going to keep this waterfall and flower beds, or if I should just tear up everything and have grass come right to the edge of the house, or right to the edge of this little porch area. Now remember, this is extremely neglected. I'm going to do a series on all my garden restorations, and this is just one part of the garden that needs restoring. It's so overgrown, especially since the pool was being built. I really neglected this area. It was built during the summer 2 years ago, and that's when I usually do more yard work and stuff, some yard work. But this is very overgrown and very neglected, and it's very embarrassing to live and look at it or have people come to my house. I had somebody weed whack it all, and my son started pressure cleaning. So we're doing bits and bits, and I'm thinking about restoring, I'm not sure, this waterfall that comes from the top all the way down this little mini hill. It's either restore it or get rid of it, and it is a little bit of work. I'll show you a different view. Here's what the waterfall looks like from the front, and it is beautiful and I absolutely love it, but there's so many trees around that there's a lot of upkeep keeping the leaves out, and every once in a while I have to replace the pump. It starts off at the bottom here. The pump just recirculates all through the waterfall, but it is gorgeous when it's done, and you can see it kind of flows off the bricks here. I made a little kind of cave area, and it just flows out that area down. I'll get a close-up view of that in a minute. But the pump, I think I've had to replace 3 or 4 of them over the years, and they're $100 each. So it is a little costly. Now that was over say a 10-12 year span. And then, like I said, I had to clean it out every once in a while, which is a lot of work. Probably twice a year. Shut it down, take all the leaves and debris out, then refill it with water. And it is a lot of physical work. Here's the view from the side. And I did have somebody give me an estimate to pressure clean this, and there is a leak, and he was going to fix the leak and then recoat it with cement. And that was $300, so that's not too bad. But the question is, do I want to keep this? And I'm going to show you how gross it gets. There's like muck and junk that forms in the bottom. You know, the question is, do I want to keep this and have to continually clean this out, or get rid of it? That's my debate. So if you want to, in the comments, let me know what you would do. Now I want to also include, I'm 55 years old, so I'm getting older, and the maintenance is not going to be as easy for me as I get older to keep this waterfall pond up. I don't know if it's going to be worth it. Here's the view coming from the side yard. You can see all the debris at the street. We've been working a lot. And coming in, it is really pretty to have, and I love the sound of the water, but I just don't know. I don't know if I should get rid of it or keep it. What I do love, though, near the car, I'll show you up close, is a patch of lavender. This I will definitely keep, this little patch of lavender here, and I believe it's an English lavender that grows well in Zone 9 in Florida. And I've had success with it, so then I purchased, I think, 9 more plants, and I planted them in here. This little mini triangle area. So I have my little mini lavender field here. Now that you've seen the waterfall, if you want to comment and let me know what you would do, if you would get rid of everything, get rid of the brick in the front here, and just have the lawn go right up to basically where the waterfall starts. So I would just have a little narrow flower bed here, right up there. I would get rid of everything to that first row of bricks. So that would be all of this flower bed here. It's kind of a curving flower bed. Or should I just restore it and keep simple plants in this area and then have the waterfall working? So those are my questions and my big debate before my son starts tackling this. And I think I decided that my son's gonna do the restoration so that he can earn a little bit of money during the summer.